No, I didn't get bacon syrup. Ugh, I'm not making you a bacon drink. Whatever. Okay, so today, guys, we are bringing back the Falernum, homemade Falernum. Click that link, go check that video out. And we're pairing that with Green Chartreuse and making a Chartreuse Swizzle. Fantastic drink. If you're unfamiliar with Chartreuse, check out Savidge Kitchen's review where she compares the green and yellow Chartreuse. I can't find the yellow. Sucks, but what are you gonna do? So we're making a swizzle drink, so we're building this directly in a Collins or highball. We're starting off with 1.5 ounces of Green Chartreuse. Green Chartreuse made from 130 different plants and herbs. It's a really nice liqueur, and it's pretty high ABV, like 60-something%. All right, next up, our homemade Falernum Liqueur. I love this stuff. Make sure to check out that video. I make a whole bunch of liqueurs. We're doing 1/2 ounce of Falernum. It actually really complements well with the Green Chartreuse because there's the lime, there's spices, clove and allspice. Plays really well with all the different botanicals and herbs in the Chartreuse. Just really complement each other. After that, 1 ounce of pineapple juice. That's going to give us our sweetness. The Falernum has some sweetness, but obviously we need a little more. And then 3/4 ounce of lime juice. So now we've got our acidic component. And that's the drink right there. And as the name suggests, it's a swizzle, so we need to fill it with crushed ice or pebble ice, as I have here. Now, if I were to do this again, it's called a swizzle, which is why we swizzled it. So lower your spoon or swizzle stick, and then you just want to swizzle it in your hands until you have a nice frost that forms in the glass. So as I was saying, swizzling is fine. However, it kind of misses that nice foam that whenever you shake a cocktail with pineapple juice kind of foams up when you agitate it. You don't get this here because it's not agitated enough. So I actually probably would prefer shaking it the next time around. But it doesn't matter. It's called a swizzle, so I figured we'd stick to, the rules. For garnish, we're going to do a couple pineapple fronds or leaves, if that's what you call them. If you had some pineapple, you could garnish with pineapple as well. I've also seen nutmeg as a garnish for this one. I didn't really care for that. And there you have it. There is your Chartreuse Swizzle. It's really good, not overly sweet. The herbs, the spice notes from the Chartreuse and the Falernum just really work well together. This is a nice drink. Give it a try. Very refreshing. We'll see you next time. Cheers.